IM. Tai.
We apologize for the interruption to this broadcast. Normal programming has been suspended. Please stand by for a national emergency warning. Please stand by for a national emergency warning. Please stand by for a national emergency warning.
This is an emergency advice. Information of a biohazard outbreak within this country has been received. The current threat level is emergency advice, meaning an emergency is likely. A number of biosecurity facilities around the country have been attacked by terrorists and stocks of highly contagious viruses stolen. Several of the attacks have resulted in contamination of the surrounding area. There is a significant possibility of viral mutation. This may result in the emergence of an airborne plague. Residents of the following areas are advised to evacuate immediately: Penrith, New South Wales; Frankston, Victoria; Midland, Western Australia; Capalaba, Queensland; Elizabeth, South Australia. Wear a breathing device, such as a mask, to ensure your safety. You are advised to stay indoors. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Ensure you have access to a battery-powered radio. For updates and instructions on 531 kHz on the AM band. Updates are also available via www.em.gov.au. If you have a mobile device, turn it on now. Then activate Wi-Fi and cellular access. Emergency information will be transmitted to your device where possible. Please do not make phone, mobile or SMS calls as of now. Your network will be needed to broadcast emergency information. Updates will continue to be broadcast via television as they become available. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now.